Morning everybody. Beautiful day. We just had a little bit of snow. It's 1 degree Celsius, about 33 degrees Fahrenheit. It's supposed to warm up a little bit, so we're going fishing. Oh, we're almost to our spot. We're gonna try Lake Superior. We're gonna just try trolling along the shore in some little shallower water. So it's still 1 degree, about 33 Fahrenheit. It hasn't warmed up an awful lot, but we were going to get going a lot earlier this morning, but we had some light dusting of snow as well as some freezing drizzle overnight. So we just thought we'd give it a little time just to make sure the highway was going to be okay. So the highway was okay, and we're just a couple of minutes from the boat launch. We'll see you on the lake. A beautiful morning. It's calm so far. Just out on the lake. I think it's calling for about 20 kilometer northwest winds this morning, which is probably, I don't know, about 10-12 miles an hour. And then it's calling for gradual clearing in the afternoon and the wind to kind of calm down. So we're going to see how we do today. Set up on the lake. We have 4 rods out. We're allowed two per person, so we're just trying a bunch of different things. I mean, it's April the 15th today, so it's really early in the year, so we're not sure exactly what the fish are going to be looking for. So we have a variety of lures out, and we're going to switch them off until we figure out what we're doing. So we're in 70 feet of water right now. We're doing it's varying the speed between about 1.5 and 2.3 right now miles per hour, and the water temperature is 35 degrees, 35.5 right now Fahrenheit, so it's fairly cool. It's a pretty good wind, and as you can see, we're kind of bundled up with our jackets and mitts, and it's not as warm as we thought it was going to be, so we'll see how we do here today. It's been kind of a slow day. We're marking lots of fish, but nothing wants to pop until we kind of came around the point over here, and we were right at a rock shelf, and we had the downrigger and the dipsy go, and we lost one fish on the dipsy, and I guess it didn't hook up on the downrigger, but we're gonna just kind of curve around here in this little bay and make one more pass. It's marking fish. Well, we're just gonna make another pass here. We're probably maybe 75 feet from the shore, and we're still over 100 feet deep, so we're just gonna kind of go here, and there's a rock shelf that comes along the edge here. We're gonna try trolling along that and see if we pick something up. We're kind of tucked in a little bay here. We're pretty close to the shore, and it's 75 feet here. Beautiful scenery. It's actually kind of warm in this bay, kind of sheltered by the wind. We just averted a disaster. We had the cannonball snagged. So anyway, we managed to get that off without wrecking any equipment. Yeah, we're probably about 5 miles north of the Canada-US border, just right around here, right around the point. So just beautiful out today. The wind actually just stopped now, and it's actually warmed up enough now that we've been able to take our mitts off finally. It's pretty good. We're probably 50 feet from shore, and it's 123 feet, and water's 36 degrees Fahrenheit. Just on our way home. Had a fun day getting out, at least in the boat. It was a lot colder, a lot windier than we were thinking it was going to be today. We ended up losing 2 fish, and we never got any fish into the boat. That's probably the first time we've been skunked in, geez, probably well over a year or so. I mean, it's difficult today, windy, cold, and the water's between 35 and 36 degrees Fahrenheit, so I think this time of year in April, the lake trout are pretty sluggish and slow going. So tried a bunch of different things. Had a couple little problems snagging a cannonball and a dipsy, but fortunately we got those unstuck without any kind of damage to our